Hello students, in the last class we have learnt about the meaning of taxes and how we calculate the tax. In this class we are going to solve some problems, the important problems which have already come in the examination, commercial arithmetic. So you can see this problem what I have chosen here. This problem has appeared in the year 2019 for 7 marks. So these problems are not exactly account kind of problems in nature. These are mathematical kind of problems in nature. You need to know the basic mathematics. If you are knowing the basic mathematics, some skills, some tables and all, you can very easily solve these problems. Okay, so we will try to solve this problem. It is very easy. First, we'll just go through this problem and we will solve this. Okay, so the solution. Here what they have given, see, the man's income increases from rupees 12,000, but on account of decrease in the rate of income tax from 15 to 12 percentage, income tax 15 to 12 percentage, he pays same amount of tax as before. Find the income. Okay, find the income in the both years if 80,000 is exempted. Okay, 80,000 is exempted. So these important points you should remember. His income increased by 12,000. He is paying the same tax. Okay, he is paying the same tax. Why is paying the same tax? Because the tax rate has been reduced from 15 to 12 percentage and exemptions are worth 80 percentage. So I'll tell you why they have given why he pays the same tax. See, if the income increases, the tax also will increase. Correct? If the income increases, the tax also will increase. So if the tax has to remain same, then the rate of the tax has to decrease. So that is what they have given here. The rate of the tax has been decreased from 15 to 12 percentage, and that is the reason the income tax has remained same. So now we have to find out what. Always remember, you have to always focus on what you have to find while solving this problem. You have to find this income in both the years, in the year 1 and in the year 2. Both the years we have to find the income. So it is very small problem, but just let us try to do it. It is very small, in fact. Okay, so first is what they are telling. They are asking us income. So I will assume, let the income be X. Let the income be X. So which year income it is? This is a first year income. Let the first year income be X. So what will be the second year income? Second year. What will be the second year income? See, first year income is X. You see here, second year income, what they have told, it is increased by 12,000. So second year income will be how much? X plus 12,000. Correct? The first year income is X, second year income is X plus 12,000. Why I got X plus 12,000? Because they told it is increased by 12,000. Now, what else they have given? He pays the same amount of tax. That means what? The first year tax. The first year tax is equal to second year tax. The first year tax is equal to second year tax. So how will you calculate the tax? Tax can be calculated by multiplying the income into the rate of tax. So what is the first year rate of tax? It is a 15 percentage, correct? So X into 15 percentage means upon 100. What is the second year tax? Second year income is x plus 12,000, correct? So x plus 12,000, correct? X plus 12,000 into what? Into what is the rate of percentage? 12 percentage, correct? X plus 12,000 into 12 percentage divided by 100, because percentage is 100. So now we will calculate this one. This 100 cancels each other. So now what is remaining here? 15x. X into 15, 15x is equal to 12 into x we have to do, 12 into 12,000 we have to do. So 12 into x is how much? 12x plus 12 into 12,000, how much it is? 12 12s are 144, 3 zeros for 3 zeros. So 1,44,000. So 12x plus 1,44,000. So now I am going to keep the 15x here. Send this 12x to left hand side. So 15x minus 12x is equal to 1,44,000. So 15x minus 12x, how much it will be? 3x. 3x is nothing but equal to 1,44,000. So x is equal to what? 1,44,000 divided by 3. Correct or no? So now you divide this one. You can divide 3 ones are 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 remains, 3 8s are 24, 3 zeros for 3 zeros. How much it will become? 48,000. Correct. So what is x? What is x? X is nothing but the income for the first year. Correct. So first year income, how much we are getting? First year. First year 48,000. Correct. I'm just drawing a line here. 48,000. But one more thing we have to understand here. They have told 80,000 is exempted from the tax. 80,000 is exempted from the tax means what? On this 80,000 he is not paying any tax. So that is the reason we have to add that to the income. That means his income is plus 80,000. So first year income is how much? 48,000 plus 80,000. It will be 1,28,000. Correct? 1,28,000. Second year, what they are telling? Second year income. How will you find out second year income? Very simple. In the first line itself, it is given the man's income increases by 12,000. So that means what? For this, I have to add 12,000. So 1,28,000 plus 12,000. How much it will become? 1,40,000. Okay. Just drawing a line. This you need not have to write. This is rough part. So this problem has appeared for 5 marks in 2019. Okay. So same general problem. Not much of accounting is required here. A person pays 18% income tax and 20% super tax on excel of income over 20,000. So excel of income, they have clearly mentioned. The excel of income means the income is increased plus. Find his total income if he altogether pays taxes amounting to 15,000. So here you can say, I'll just read this one once again. A person pays 18% income tax and 20% super tax and 20% super tax on the excel of income over rupees 20,000. Find his total income if he altogether pays a tax amounting to rupees 15,000. So here, what is the total tax given? total tax. How much? 15,000. Correct. Here it is given. Tax amounting to rupees 15,000. So he is paying how much? 15,000 as a total tax he is paying. So in this 15,000, how much is pertaining to 20,000 we have to see. Why we have to say how much is pertaining to 20,000? Because on this 20,000, he is paying only 18% tax. See here, 18% tax on 20,000, and above 20,000 he is paying 20%. And getting it? See, I'll just write it here. Up to 20,000 he is paying tax how much? 18%. Above 20,000, he is paying 20%. So up to 20,000, how much you would have paid? You would have paid. We'll just find out how much you would have paid. So first 20,000 tax. First 20,000 tax. Okay, how much you would have paid? 20,000 into 18%. 18% means 18 upon 100. How much it will give? These two zeros go. So 2 18s are 36. 2 zeros for 2 zeros. 3,600. Correct. So out of this 15,000, 3,600 is a tax he has paid up to the income of 20,000. Now remaining tax he is paid that the income is about 20,000. Correct. So remaining how much? About 20,000 income. Above 20,000 tax. So it is 15,000 minus 3,600. 11,400. Correct. So 11,400 is the amount of tax he has paid for his income, which is about 20,000. So we don't know that income only. So what we will do? Since we don't know that income, we will assume that income is 100. Let the income about 20,000 be 100. Let the income above 20,000 be 100. Correct. So then how much is tax he is paying? The tax is 8 rupees. Correct. So 18 plus 20 it is 38. So we have to do cross multiplication now. For 100 he is paying 38. Then for 11,400 how much he is getting? Cross multiplication. So what you have to do? 11,400 into 100 upon 38. So you can do the calculation. You will get the amount. Okay, so please do the calculation. You will get somewhere around 30,000. Okay, so this is the 30,000. This is about 20,000 income is already got. So what is the total income? The total income is equal to the total income is equal to how much? Initial 20,000 plus this extra 30,000 on which he is paying super tax. So 20,000 plus 30,000, it will be how much? 50,000. Okay, so this point I think the problem is clear. If you are not understanding anything, please WhatsApp me. I'll try to explain it once again. So this point is clear. This is just for your this one. So up to 20,000 it is 18%. Above 20,000 it is 18 plus 20%. Okay, 18 plus 20%. So this you need not have to write. So just for your example. Okay, please write down this problem, all of you. You can pause this video and you can write down. Okay, so hope everyone has written down the earlier problem. Now we are going to solve the next problem. So it is almost similar to the first problem we have solved. You can see the pattern is not changing. So almost similar problems are asked every year. So here you can see this problem has arrived in the year 2018. This problem has come in the year 2018. So 2018, how many marks problems it is? It is 1 minute. So 2018, this is again 7 marks problem. Here I have written 5 marks. Now it is 7 marks problem. So again, same problem. I'll explain it once again. Most of you can do it yourself by looking at the first problem we had solved. So here you can see a man's income is decreased. The man's income decreases by rupees 15,000. Decreases. Okay, you understand? Decreases by 15,000. But on account of increase in rate, so the income tax is increasing here. How much it is increasing? From 16% to 18%. He pays the same tax. So he pays the same tax. Find his present income. How much is the present income? Present income means the new income. If the exemption is 1,50,000. 1,50,000 is exempted. So as we have done in earlier problem, here also we will do the same. So what I will do, first I will write let the income which year, first year, be X. So this is without exemption. Okay, exemption last we are going to add, income last we are going to add 1,50,000, whatever we are going to get the answer. Then the second year income will be how much? If the first year income is X, the second year income, how much it will be? See, they have told decreases by 15,000. So decreases by 15,000 means X minus 15,000. Clear? X minus 15,000. So first year income is X, second year income is X minus 15,000. First year tax is how much? The first year tax, just writing, last one I had not written. The first year tax is 16%, and the second year tax, how much they have told? 18%. 18%. Correct? So now, since both the taxes, the amount of tax is same, both the taxes are same, you know, percentage are not same, but the amount is same. So amount of tax first year is equal to amount of tax second year. So first year, how will you calculate the amount of tax? It is nothing but the income X into the rate of tax. How much is the rate? 16%. 16% means upon 100 is equal to amount of tax in the second year. How will you calculate amount of tax in the second year? Same. What is the second year income? X minus 15,000 into tax. How much is the tax in second year? 18%. Correct. 18% upon 100. So now this 100 cancels each other. 16 into x is nothing but 16x is equal to 18 into x, 18x minus 18 into 15, 18 into 15. How much it will come? So 90, right? 2,70,000 will come, correct? 2,70,000. Correct. You have to do it in the calculator. 18 into 15 it is 2,70,000. 18 5 is 90, 93 is 270. So 2,70,000 is this one. Correct. So now you do this one. 18x goes this side, becomes minus 18x plus 16x is equal to minus 2,70,000. So 18x minus 16x is 2x is equal to minus 2x. It is a minus 2,70,000. So this minus cancels each other. So x is equal to how much? 2,70,000 divided by 2. So how much you will get? X is equal to, it is nothing but you divide it, it is 1,35,000. So this is the income without exemption, and this is the income for the first year. Okay, see, the first year is X, correct? What they have asked? They have asked the present income. See here, the income for present is asked. So present income means it is nothing but the, I am writing it here. Present income is nothing but it is the second year income. So second year income is nothing but X minus 15,000. Correct? So second year income is equal to X minus 15,000. X minus 15,000, and we have to again add the exemption, that is 1,50,000. We have to add 1,50,000. So how much it will become? X is how much? We have got 1,35,000 minus 15,000. Okay, sorry for this one. Minus 15,000. Correct? Plus 1,50,000. So 1,35,000 minus 15,000 is 1,20,000 plus 1,50,000. How much it will get? 2,70,000. Correct? So this is a present year income. So please go through this problem, and if you have any doubt, you can put it in chat. Okay, put it in chat, or you can also WhatsApp me. I will solve it. Okay, you can WhatsApp in the official group. I will solve the doubt. So here I think everyone has understood this problem. If you have any doubt, you please put in text or WhatsApp me. I will solve it out. Please take your time and write down this problem. I hope everyone has written this problem, written the previous problem. If you are not written, you please pause the video and you can write it. Okay, you can take your own time, you can write. If you are not understood, you can also repeat the video and you can okay, so I think it is the same problem. Once again, it is a man's income decreases by 15%. Okay, 150. So it is the same problem. It is mistakenly typed once again. We'll go to the next problem. So this problem has come in the year 2018 for 5 months. So please read this problem once. Okay, I hope you have read this problem and you might have understood this. I'll just explain it. A person pays 10% income tax on his total income. Okay, 10% income tax is paying. 15% on the excess of his income over rupees 2 lakh. It means what? Up to 2 lakh. Up to 2 lakh. How much is paying? 10%. Above 2 lakh, how much is paying? Above 2 lakh. Above 2 lakh, he is paying 10% plus super tax of 15%. So he is paying above 2 lakh how much? 10 plus 15, 25% he is paying above 2 lakh. Correct? So find his total income if he altogether pays tax amounting to rupees 21,200. So total tax is paying 21,200. We have to find out what is the total income. Okay. So this point I think you might have understood. So this is very important. 25% about 2 lakhs and 10% up to rupees 2 lakh. That is what the scheme given here. So first we have to find out how much tax out of this 21,000 is paying up to 2 lakhs. Correct? Up to 2 lakh tax. Up to 2 lakh. He pays. How much he pays? It is nothing but 2 lakh into how much is up to 2 lakh? 10%. Correct? So 2 lakh into 10%. How much it will become? 20,000. Correct? So up to 2 lakh he is paying 20,000 tax. So the remaining tax, what is that remaining? That is 1,200. See, total is paying 21,200. Correct? So the remaining 1,200 is the tax he is paying on above the 2 lakh. Whatever the income is above 2 lakh, for that he is paying the rupees 21,200. So here again, as in last problem we have done, let income be 100. It is above 2 lakh. It is above 2 lakh. I'm just writing here above 2 lakh. Let it be 100. How much is the tax he is going to pay for 100? As I said, 25%. So 25 rupees is the tax. So for 100, it is 25. Here how much is remaining? 20,000. Correct? 20,000. 21,200 minus 20,000. How much is remaining? 1,200 is remaining. Correct? So for 1,200, what is the income? 1,200, what is the income? Cross multiplication. So 1,200 into 100 divided by 25. 1s are 4s are 12 4s are 48. Correct. 2 zeros for 2 zeros. So how much? 4,800 is the income about 2 lakh. So what is this total income? The total income is equal to initial 2 lakhs. Here we have got the initial 2 lakhs plus this 4,800. How much it will become? 2 lakh 4,800. So this is a answer. So please go to this problem once again. If you have any doubt, you can please put it in chat, or you can also WhatsApp me. Okay, you can do anything. I will clarify your doubt. Please pause the video and you can write down this problem. So we'll solve another problem. Hope you have written the problem number 5. This is the next problem. So I'm giving you 2 minutes of time. Please read this problem once and try to mark what is given and what is asked. A man's income increases by rupees 3,500. Increases. Okay, the income has increased. But due to reduction in the tax rate has been reduced from 22% to 20%. The amount payable as tax remains the same. Okay, the tax remains the same. Find the income in both the years. Both the years we have to find the income. If 10,000 of the income is exempted from the tax each of the 2 years. So again the similar problem. Here also, first they have asked us to find out the income in the both year. So what we will do? So this income is without exemption. Okay. So without exemption, I will write it clearly. Without considering the exemption. Just without exemption. Okay, because exemption we will add in the final answer. So without exemption, how much? Let first year income be, let first year income be rupees X. Okay, income they are not given X. So second year how much it will be? Second year it will be how much? X. You can see increase by 3,500. You are able to find this sentence. Increase by 3,500. So increase means what? Plus 3,500. Secondary income is increased by 3,500. So now what they are telling? Tax in the first year. So I will write the tax also. Tax percentage. First year. First year. How much? It is here 22%. Correct. Then tax percentage second year. How much? Here it is 20%. Correct. So tax amount is same there. You can see the tax remains the same. The amount remains the same. So first year tax is equal to second year tax. Correct? How will you calculate the tax? You have to multiply the income by the tax rate. How much is the first year tax rate? 22%. So 22 upon 100 is equal to, how will you calculate the second year tax? Multiply the income. What is the income? X plus 3500 into tax rate. How much is the tax rate? 20%. 20 upon 100. 100 cancels. So 22 into x will give me how much? 22x is equal to 20 into x. 20x plus 20 into 3500. So 35 to the 70. 2 3 zeros for 3 zeros. So 70,000. Correct. So now 22x, 20x goes that side, becomes minus 20x is equal to how much? 70,000. So 22x minus 20x how much? 2x is equal to 70,000. Okay, I'm writing it here. So x is equal to how much? 70,000 divided by 2. How much it will become? 35,000. So what is this x? X is the first year income without exemption. Correct? So income first year. How will you write? 35,000 without exemption it is. So exemption we have to add. How much is the exemption? You can see the exemption is given here, 10,000. Correct? So 35,000 plus 10,000. How much it is? 35,000 plus 10,000, 45,000. Correct? Second year, what is the income? It is x plus 3,500. That means 35,000 plus 3,500 plus 10,000. What we have to add? So how much it will become? 35,000 plus 3,000, 38,500 plus 10,000. It is 48,500. This is first year income. This is first year income, and this is the second year income. Okay, so please write down this problem and repeat it as many times as you can. If you are not understanding anything, you can chat or you can WhatsApp me in the official group. Any doubts in chat? If you are chatting, I will clear it here itself. If you are WhatsApping also, I will clear it there itself. So please make a note of this problem. So this is another one problem which has appeared in 2017 examination. For 5 marks it is. Okay, so 5 marks. I'll just go through this problem. A businessman pays 18% of the income tax. Total income. So total income, how much is paying? 18%. So total income is paying 18%. Correct. And he is also paying 20% additional tax on the excel of income over 20,000. That means what? If the income is up to, just wipe this out. Okay. See, very simple. If the income is up to how much? What is the amount they have given? 20,000. So if the income is up to 20,000, how much is the tax he pays? He pays 18% tax. 18%. correct? Tax. Income. If the income is up to 20,000, he pays 18% tax. And the income above 20,000, the income above 20,000, he pays 18% as normal, plus he pays a 20%. So he is paying how much? 38%. Correct? So this step is clear to everyone. 18% plus 18% plus 20%. So now we will solve this problem. First, we will find out of this tax how much is paying. 15,000 tax is paying. Out of this tax, how much is for the 20,000 initial 20,000? Correct. So the tax for 20,000. Tax for 20,000. How we have to calculate? 20,000 into what is the rate of tax? 18%. Correct. 18 upon 100. These two zeros, 2 18s are 36. 2. So 3,600 is the tax which he is paying for the 20,000. So the remaining out of 15,000, the remaining tax is he is paying for 50 for about 20,000 income. Correct. So what is the remaining tax? The remaining tax is 15,000 minus 3,600. How much it will be? 11,400. So this 11,400 is the tax which is paying for the income which is above 20,000. So how will you find out that income? What we will do, if the income is 100, okay, I'll write it symbolically. Income and tax. See, if the income is 100, how much he is going to pay the tax? He is going to pay here 38 rupees. Correct? 38 rupees. Here how much is paying the tax? 11,400. So for 11,400, what is the income? So it is cross multiplication. 11,400 into 100 divided by divided by 38. I think it is same problem what we have done previously. Okay, let us see. Okay, so 38. So you please divide this one and you can find out the answer how much we are getting. 338 3s are correct. 38 1s are 38 3s are 114. Sir, no, 33s are 90, 8 3s are 24. So 38 3s are 114. This, okay, so now 3 1s are 3. How many zeros are there? 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 30,000. Correct. So 30,000 is the income above what? Above this 20,000. So what is the total income? Total income is equal to 20,000 initially we calculated plus 30,000. How much it will be? 50,000. So total income is how much? 50,000. Correct? So you can just make a note of this problem. If you have any doubt, you please repeat it once again, or if you are unable to clear the doubt, you please chat, or you can please WhatsApp me. I will clear the doubt there. Okay. There are some other methods given in books also. So, but I thought this is a easy method, so I solved this problem with this method. If you have any other method and you are getting answer also correct, you can follow that. There is no problem in following any other method also. I hope you have understood this chapter. So we are done with the tax and the rates chapter, and we have solved last 3 years problems which have come in the question papers also, 2018, 2019, 2017. Okay.